best hello the world. Hi everyone, my name is George, aka EG. I'm the host of the show. Anytime you got a chance to stop by, you will find me talking about money and how to become successful. I will provide insights, information, tips, knowledge, basically tools and things that you will need to put in your tools box to cultivate in your daily basis activity to become successful and to thrive in whatever endeavor or field you will use to perform your craft. Without wasting your time and my time, let's get into it. The video today is about 30 minutes. Can you imagine how 30 minutes can change your entire life? 30 minutes can definitely change you. So that's why I bring to you in this video 30 minutes of excellence. What's that mean? Every day, if you can save 30 minutes for yourself to think, focus, and practice excellence, you can overcome many problems and achieve many good things in your life. I recommend that when you wake up in the morning, like now, it's 5:30 on the morning. Alright, I wake up. When you wake up in the morning, no matter at what time you wake up, before you talk to anybody, I suggest that you take 30 minutes to practice excellence. What you will do during these 30 minutes, first, you will think deeply about what you want before you go to sleep. Think. Start thinking before you go to sleep. Close your eyes, but open your mind and go to sleep after that. Okay? Let your mind sleep by itself. Don't force your mind. Close your eyes and let your mind open. And you will sleep eventually along the way, but your mind will stay focused on what you've been thinking about. When you wake up, okay, the first thing to do before you talk to anybody is revisit your thoughts. Because you've been thinking before sleep, revisiting your thought and say, yes, this is what I want. And after that, take 5 minutes to focus. Now, you sit or you lay down on a bed and stuff, make sure that you're fully awake. Now, you just think. You can close your eyes if you don't want. If you don't want, you can stare at one point, one object, one details in the wall and anything in your house that you put your eyes on without blinking, and you focus. After you focus, you take a pencil or a sheet of paper, you write down what you will do for the day. And you write down at what time you want to do it. When you do that, you do something to put you in a relaxed state. Can be some yoga exercise, can be some stretch, some workout. You don't go to the gym, you do some stretch, release tension in the body. Okay? Stretch your legs, bend your neck, things like that. Move your shoulder. Because you've been sleeping, you got a lot of energy in your body. You need to release this energy. Right? Let blood flows inside your body and circulate pretty well. And now, You can close your eyes if you want, or keep your eyes open, but fixing your eye on one object. Like I'm talking to you now, I'm fixing my eyes to the camera. Okay, you can close it, you can let it open, but still I'm fixing my eyes to the camera, and now I'm going to lock, zoom. And we're going to do it. Lock, and you count into your mind from 1 to 5. Like 1 to 5 in your mind, and you and you count 1, 2, 3, 5 in your mind, and you do it like that. You're doing that for 10 minutes. Okay? After that, you stay quiet. You're not breathing. You're not moving. You fix your eyes to one point or you close your eyes. You just stay quiet. Either you fix your eyes like that from one point, fixing my eyes to the or you close your eyes like that. But the idea is like you immobilize your body. All your body is mobilized. Nothing that decision. Sit down. When you immobilize your body, what you do actually, you unleash your mind. Because if your body will be your mind has nothing to control. Your mind goes to the process of creativity. That's it. You do that for another 10 minutes. And now you got 25 minutes already working. And you're going to do the last one. The last one is to read something. It can be your bureau card. It can be your plan or insurance. You can read them silently or loudly. It's up to you. But you read them over and over for 5 minutes. After you're doing that, take your bureau card or your bureau paper. You put it inside your wallet. Of course, if you want, you close your wallet. Put your wallet here. And you're free to do. Free to do. To walk. To do whatever you want to do. Do not forget, your goal list. You gotta take it out for at midday and at night before you sleep. Read them at least 3 times. I hope you like this video. My name is Alan. I'm the host of my Booster Motivation, the EG show. Remember, anytime you find me on this YouTube channel, I'll talk about money how to become successful. And I will give you tips and insights on fire to help you take your life to the next step. Remember to subscribe, hit the bell button, that anytime we got new video coming out there. And then and share this video to people you think that might be that will be interested. I know the channel is not for everybody. I don't intend to please everybody. But I know some people do because opportunity will not knocking at your door indefinitely. If you don't jump on it, you might lose it. Alright? Thank you for watching.